Example number 4 is pretty easy. It says find the area of a rectangle of a banner. Okay, so they want us to find there's a banner that they give us and they want us to find the area of it. But instead of telling us what the dimensions are, it says the banner shown is 2 feet, 2 1/2 feet wide, and 5 feet high. But they want the area in yards squared. Uh-oh. So you can do this problem a couple of different ways. We can either convert this to the yards, or we could convert it at the beginning or convert it at the end, I guess is what I'm saying. What's the relationship between feet and yards? Yes?
1 to 3.
1 to 3. 1 what?
1 yard is 3 feet.
So we could say 1 yard is 3 feet. That's one way to represent the ratio. Another way to do it is to say that 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. And we'll come back to this in a second, right? Those are 2 conversion factors. We're going to pick one of them, but it depends on what they give us. Well, since they gave us feet, which one would you guys choose to use for your conversion factor?
3 feet.
Huh? The first one, the top one, or the bottom one?
Bottom.
Okay, you guys want to use the bottom one? So now if I multiply this by 3 feet over 1 yard, like that, I get feet squared. That doesn't help, does it? But, it was a good guess, but watch this. Whenever you're doing conversions, I'm going to choose the first one, which is 1 yard over 3 feet. Now, what's a foot divided by a foot? It reduces down to 1 over 1, so you cancel. What am I left with regards to units? Yards. What do they want us to have the answer in? Yards. So what we're going to do is this is equal to 5 over 3 yards. So 5 feet is 5 over 3 yards, which kind of makes sense when you think about it. All right. I mean, the area is easy, right? Because the area of a rectangle is just going to be base times height, but we got to do this conversion stuff, right? So we could say that the height is equal to 5/3 yards, and then now we got 2.5 over here. What's a better way to do that?
2.5.
Yeah, or 5/2. Let's try that. So we would say this one is 5 over 2 feet. And what's our conversion factor? Same as before, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. We're going to multiply those. The cool thing about using that first conversion factor is that the feet cancel, and now I got how many yards? 5/6, right? So then my base is equal to 5/6. So now to find my area, I'm just going to say the base times the height, which is 5/3 times 5 over 6, or 25 over 18 yards squared. I kind of forgot to write this down, but this is yards, and so this is like yards, and this is yards. And so yards times yards is yards squared. Does that make sense? Yes.
Wouldn't it be easier to just convert it at the end?
How would you convert it at the end?
You would just multiply it by 3.
Well, how many square feet are in a square yard? So the question is, can we convert it at the end? And I didn't really answer, but she said, well, we just multiply it by 3 at the end. Sort of. Watch this. If I have 1 yard by 1 yard, if I have a square, How many square feet is that?
Is that 9?
Yeah, it's 9, right? Because there's 1, 2, 3 feet by 3 feet. So 1 yard squared is equal to 9 feet squared.